Love is the answer to going to higher frequencies where we of the angelic await, and self-love is the key to the ascension process. As you turn inward to see the truth of who you are, the soul knows the way to find the true you. Follow it. Each now moment, each new breath, and each new vibration that is anchored uplifts the density of the third dimensional consciousness, affecting the whole world and the cosmos. This anchoring allows the particles you have amassed around your form to morph into a higher dimension with less density. This is all part of the ascension process. The biological DNA representation of the being of energy that you are is changing. As consciousness changes, the world of form evolves. This process is also magical, mystical, sacred, and the next logical step. It is a transmutation that is happening even though you can't quite get your mind around it. This is largely through the coherence of the heart, mind, and wisdom that results from your intention and is focused by the different energy bodies. The tides of the planetary bodies can carry you higher when you go with their flow. This is a channeled message from the angels in answer to the tumultuous and chaotic times we are living through now on Earth. Listen to the end to receive the full energetic download of love when the angels declare, "It is all that is truly real." The self-care you can incorporate into your life is the most important piece right now. The important questions that you task the mind to answer are ones that focus on supporting evidence of love in your life. Direct the mind to focus on the most loving thing you can do for yourself in this moment. This is the basis of self-care. In this day and every day, the most self-loving thing you have to do is upgrade your thoughts. How you think about yourself. They also determine how you talk to yourself. They appear in how you see yourself in relation to others. You must cherish yourself. You must cherish yourself, not just your body and your precious life, but your true self, your truest version of yourself, the soulful self. This is a new line of questioning. It is a new way of being and a change, but not an unpleasant one. This loving newness is like the warm sun on your skin. It is the melting of the snow in spring, the removal of frost from any hardness of heart by a growing bonfire of pure love. This love is what you truly are. You are tasked with the duty to get used to it. Kindness within and without. We love you so much, beloved, for your willingness to experience the contrast and duality of earth. The swings of highs and lows must be felt in the energy of humankind, but not held onto. They are being directed to flow through the consciousness, to be processed on a cellular level as energy, not to be an impediment. You can think of it as sound and light, color and music. You can think of it as electric, as magnetic, as shadow and light. Any way you can think of the full range of life's energies without prejudice will serve you. Take the judgment of them out of the equation. In this way, you can release the stickiness of good and bad and understand it is only energy and not a threat to you. All experience is important. Through all that occurs, we hold you ever close to us in arms of love, while the energies of life on earth ebb and flow in dramas of experiences unfolding. Remember the eternal. Hold on to what your heart tells you. It will say that you are eternal as part of oneness. You are loved beyond measure, beyond all human understanding, and even beyond your ability to receive the love that is poured out upon you. Open your heart. Practice receiving love. Practice the receiving of love from all the elements and layers of yourself. Receive love from life, from nature, animals, loved ones, and friends. Receive love from Source that are not yet known to you. This is a strength, not a weakness. Receive the love that flows through you and expands within you to flow out again, boosted by your own heart flame. Rise higher in the Ascension flame by the light of the qualities that you alone hold in the cosmic grid of love, life. You will not be overwhelmed when you let go of your resistance to this expansion of intense feeling. Release your resistance. Trust. This energy of love is real. This is all that is truly real. The greater love of the divine consciousness shines through the muck and density of consciousness here on earth. Look for that love everywhere, for it is there. Get excited about the treasure hunt for all the ways there are to love, all the facets of love that are present within you. The love of God's source is found where you are in every moment of now. Look, find, be. We love you. All is love. Amen. The angels. Look in the show notes in the description for the free gift when you begin receiving the weekly angel messages and the energy transmissions within them. Wishing you many blessings. See you in the next video.